Hello, my name is Rashmi and I am tired of trying to be perfect and beautiful on social media. Not that I'm not beautiful, but I'm not perfect and I'm tired of trying to be perfect. So as you can see, I actually have some acne. And I don't always get acne, but when I do, it usually lasts for a really long time, a couple months, and sometimes they go really big and painful. So what am I doing about this acne? As you can see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. This is just a red mark that I was scratching. So what am I doing about it? I genuinely believe that everything is energy. I've been doing a lot of energy work. And so if everything is energy, everything starts from a thought. All the things I have manifested, including this acne, has started with something on the inside, my internal world. My beautiful trusty angel Louise Hay says acne means not accepting the self, dislike of the self. And it's on my face, and face represents what we show the world. So I did some journaling and I spoke to my acne directly and I asked them, what is your message for me? And they said that they don't like how I've been expressing myself to the world. I haven't been as authentic as I would like to be. So here I am trying to be more authentic. Aside from, of course, I bought a new face wash, and whenever my skin gets dry, it produces more oils and therefore acne. So I got a new face wash, I've been washing my face more, and I've been moisturizing. But that's not enough, because that clears the symptoms, but I'm trying to get to the root of my acne. And so I've been doing affirmations, affirmations that I choose to be authentic, that I choose to show myself to the world as authentically as possible, as real as possible, and as honest as possible. And a lot of self-love affirmations in front of the mirror. So I look at myself in the mirror, I look at my acne and I say thank you for the message that I deserve more of my own love. Thank you for the message that I am worthy of being authentic. And then I also do this thing where, kind of like Photoshop, I imagine this clear spot, at the clone stamp, I imagine, poof, putting it there. Kind of like Photoshop, like an energetic Photoshop. And honestly, in a few weeks, this has gone down so much. This was way bigger. It was like kind of oozing out. It looked really bad. And I was really embarrassed about it. I kept hiding it with what do you call it? Concealer. And I'll be honest, the reason I'm more confident to show it right now is because it's not as big as before. And that's okay. My insecurities is part of my authenticity. Who doesn't have insecurities? And if you don't, please show me how you did it. But the way I'm working on mine is through self-love and energy work. So this is me being authentic. This is my authentic face. And thank you for watching.